Hey guys, it's Gary back with a legal tip today, and this is kind of an interesting one. So let's say that you want a piece of property and you've hired a property management company to manage your property. And that management company then goes out and gets a tenant on your property. I have seen where some property management companies do one of two things. They either write in the contract between you and them that they will not provide you copies or any information about that lease or that tenant. And then I've also seen where, even if it's not written in the contract, that the property management company will say it's illegal for privacy reasons for them to share you a copy of the lease. Now, I think that's wrong, and here's why I believe it's wrong. Principal agency relationship. You are the owner of the house. You have hired them as your agent. Under South Carolina law, they are acting as licensees. They have a license to sell real estate, to rent property, to property management. So they are subject to 40-57. Well, in 40-57, one of the duties of a real estate licensee, which a property management company is the old car duties of obedience, loyalty, disclosure, confidentiality, accounting, and reasonable care. So in their fiduciary duty of representing you, they have an absolute duty to disclose everything to you, which would include information about and all paperwork about your house. So the fact is, whether they've written it into the contract or they try to claim that they can't give it to you because of some privacy issue with the tenant, they're wrong. They are acting nothing more than your agent. They are not the principal. If they were the principal doing the transaction, that's a whole different ballgame. But they are your agent as an owner. The principal agent relationship means they are an extension of you, and anything that goes to them essentially goes to you as well, and vice versa in that situation. So no, it is not illegal for them to give you the information. It is improper in a violation of 40-57 for them to withhold copy of the lease or the tenant information, because under the statute, they have a fiduciary duty to you, and including in that fiduciary duty would include the duty of disclosure. So under principal and agency rules, as well as under 40-57, they cannot withhold that information to you. Now, it's a weird thing. I just had an argument about this today, so I thought I would just throw this one at you. I think the main principle to understand from this is that South Carolina law 40-57 has very specific things, and you cannot contract around the law. Simply cannot do it. I'll give you a quick example. If my client tells me, don't bring me any offer that's under $300,000, I don't want to see it. I don't want to hear about it, period. Don't bring it. We know South Carolina law says you have to bring all offers. Doesn't matter how bad those offers are. And it is improper for you and your client to enter into a written agreement saying, despite what South Carolina law says, we've agreed that I'm not going to follow South Carolina law and not present any offers unless they're over 300 grand. That would be a violation of 40-57. This would be the same violation when that document says that the property management company will not provide you any information about the tenant. They can't ask you to do that. That's a violation of state law, and they cannot ask you in a document to agree to the violation of state law. So I hope that helps you out. Don't forget, next event we got coming up, October 6th, Thursday night, Tin Roof, Tokyo Joe, Zach Kellum, country music singer from Lugoff, will be here at the Tin Roof. We're going to raise money for the South Carolina Military Family Care Association. Free drink, free food, chance to win a bunch of prizes, stuff to bid on. It's going to be a great night. And you get free t-shirt. I think it's first 200 people come get these really cool Rocktoberfest t-shirts. Looks like a Led Zeppelin shirt. Wear your favorite band t-shirt and come on out October 6th, 5 to 8 o'clock. All right, see y'all there.